Hello everyone, in last video, I showed you how to make this awesome effect that allows the coins to move up to the score logo. And now, I will show you how to create a magnet that allow you to attract items, like coins, in my game, Rabbit Raider. That's happen when the player get this green crystal. First, don't forget to add a tag to your player. Then drag the coin picture to your scene, add a box collider, make it as trigger. You also need to add a rigid body 2D, make the body type is kinematic. We will need two scripts, one for the player and one for coins. For your player script, you will need to add some codes. First we will make it a singleton by adding these few lines, that will allow us to call easily any variables from another script. Then we will need to create these variables, a transform to get our player's position, two float and a bool to activate the magnet. And finally, in update, to variables to get our player's position. Now, we go to the second script. We start by creating two variables. We also need a on trigger enter 2D function, to destroy the coin. And two functions to start magnetic power when the coin become visible and disable it when it's invisible. Finally in update, we add these lines to make the player attract the coins. Save scripts. In our two scripts, we need to drag player in the scripts. And now, let's try it. Cool, everything worked well. But sometimes, the items are attracted too fast, even before they appear at the screen, so we just need to add a coroutine, like that, and add a delay of 1 second before activating the magnet. It's gonna be better like that. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe. I also recommend the platform game, Rabbit Raider, and I offer you the promo code YouTube1000, which will give you 1000 coins. All the links are in the description. And now, I leave you with the Rabbit Raider trailer.